Hey guys, hope you're okay. Hope everyone's had a good trading week. I'm just going to do a bit of a review of Euro USD, what's happened with it this week, and my kind of input on it, to be honest, in terms of fundamentals, what I'm looking for. And I'm going to give the reason why I haven't taken any trades on Euro USD this week, and there's a few reasons for that, which hopefully will become a bit clearer as we go through. So if you have been burnt on Euro USD, then hopefully you'll find some helpful and useful information in here. But what I really wanted to show you was on the 12th of July, I did a Facebook post, right? And I just want to show you that. So let me bring that up. Okay, so 12th of July, and this is where this arrow is on the chart as well, right? So I put the euro is now equal to the US dollar. This is the lowest the euro's been since 2002 in relation to the dollar. So the dollar's been outperforming every other major currency for months. We've been forecasting this move. So if you look back over cotton, stuff like that, you'll see that. And then just what I wanted to show you here is what's your views on this? Can the dollar continue to gain in strength? Can the euro and GBP find some stability? Are we going to see some dramatic rise in interest rates? So that's the first thing I want to point out. And with that, I meant in relation to the euro and GBP, right? So then I've put the latest Commitment of Traders report shows that the institutions have been closing their long positions on USD and have increased their shorts. It could be a temporary pause whilst they have taken profits, but it could also be an indication of the USD strength slowing down temporarily. We'll see and we'll review it next week when the next report is published next weekend. So this was the 12th, so we were over here when I posted this, right? And the next report came out like here where the blue line is. Michael did the analysis for this week on that, and that's been sent out. But this is the reason why I'm sharing my views on why I haven't taken it yet, because I do think that we just got to be a little bit careful with the euro, particularly the euro and the USD at the moment. And I want to come back to this was a 12th, and I posted about can the euro find some stability? Are we going to see some dramatic rise in interest rates? And like I said, that was the 12th, and then yesterday on the 21st, we see the here we go, Christine Lagarde, president of the European Central Bank. Sorry, my computer's just frozen. They've raised interest rates. So they've been raised by a bigger than expected 50 basis points on Thursday, confirming that concerns about runaway inflation now trump growth consideration. So I just wanted to show you that, this is how I'm personally trying to preempt what's happening with these currencies and what's impacting the economies and thinking about all this stuff. And this is why we're sharing this information with you. And over the coming weeks, you're going to see more detailed cotton analysis where I'm actually going to give you my analysis for each currency and the forecasts and things to look out for, right? So that's why I personally haven't taken any trades on Euro USD because of my post, because I was saying I think the USD is going to start losing a little bit of strength in terms of it's been dominating for weeks, if not months. And I think the euro, they're going to be looking to raise interest rates. And when they do that, they do it because it should help their currency gain a bit more strength. And I think when it hit these lows here, I think this is what other people will be thinking of. So other hedge funds and all that kind of stuff will be thinking the European Central Bank has to do something to try and save its currency, right? And one of the ways to do that is to raise interest rates. So when we hit this low, you can then see that it's, prices started to push up, and this will be people anticipating what came out yesterday. So on the 21st, whatever time it was, I don't know whether it was midday, 4 o'clock, whatever, but 21st is, let's say, here when the blue line. So they've already been anticipating and kind of hedging these positions higher. And like I said, this is a combination of people anticipating this move, but also now they've taken that action, can it show a little bit more stability? There's a lot more that goes into the currency's strength itself. It's not just about them increasing interest rates and stuff like that. But I just wanted to show you why I personally stayed away from Euro USD this week. So if you did get burnt on it, have a think about that. Have a think about why. You could still have made money on Euro USD. Right? I'm not saying that, but I'm saying about we should be thinking about why you're getting involved in these trades. And if I was looking for buy positions or sell positions on it this week, I would have been doing intraday trades on them, and that's what I want you to think. Like, you can still, obviously you can catch pips either direction on currencies. They don't just go in one direction straight away. But in terms of, am I gonna, and this is why it doesn't match my trading plan, because I'm a swing trader where I can hold trades for days if not weeks, but I'm not going to swing a sell trade on this if I'm not sure which direction we're going in just yet. So that's my input on Euro USD for this week. I wanted to show you also had a key level right here. So when the market opened on Monday, which is a blue line here, you can see that we had a previous area of resistance that price just smashed through, and then it's found support on the other side. So again, I'm not going to be taking sell positions on it. You could have, and there would have been a setup from the indicator in and around this level probably. Where would it be? Probably there. So you would have been able to catch a sell from here down to here. Would have still been like a 2.5 to 1, something like that. Get stops above the area and target that low. It's a 3 to 1 trade there, so there are sell opportunities. And then again, once it smashes through this level, there's another opportunity right up here. And again, this would have been on the indicator to show you that there's some kind of liquidity there for us to take these sell positions. And again, you can catch us, stops above the high, stops above that area, target this low. It's still a 3 to 1 trade, taking those sell positions. And that's what I'm saying about you should be thinking about intraday trades, scalping. If that's what you're doing, 100% fine. If you're swing trading like me, then you might want to consider giving your USD a miss this week, just whilst we see how things are going to play out. And I hope that helps in a little way. I just wanted to give you a bit of my kind of interpretation of what's going on with it and why I personally just stay clear of it this week. And I'll be doing some analysis over the weekend, as will Michael, on the coming COT report this week. I think this week will be the COT report as normal, and then the following week it will be myself doing the COT report, and it will be a more detailed report that will come out in the form of a PDF document. If not, I might do just a quick video once a week on the weekend, just to show you the analysis and what we're expecting, maybe anticipating that week as well. So hope you found this helpful, and if you've got any questions or anything, you want to help with anything, by all means, as ever, reach out.